In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom into your Wix website, either by adding the Zoom app directly from the Wix app market or by embedding a Zoom meeting link using HTML iframe code. This will be an invaluable skill if you want to utilize video conferencing features directly from your web platform, making it more interactive and engaging for your audience. Let's begin with adding the Zoom app from the Wix app market. First, log into your Wix account and head over to your website's dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll find the Apps section. This is your go-to place for adding new features to your site. Click on Manage Apps, then select Explore More Apps. It's here that you can search for the Zoom app by typing Zoom into the search bar. Once you locate it, click Add to Site. This process is straightforward, and Wix will guide you through any necessary configuration steps required to link your Zoom account. Once the app is added, you'll want to connect it with your Zoom account to manage meetings directly through Wix. After installing the app, go to its settings. You'll be prompted to sign into your Zoom account. If you don't have one yet, this is the perfect time to sign up. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize and connect your Zoom account with Wix. This setup allows you to schedule, host, and display your upcoming meetings right on your website, creating a seamless experience for your visitors. Now let's explore another effective method, embedding a Zoom meeting link using HTML iframe code. If you prefer greater customization, this option is for you. First, open your Zoom account on a web browser and navigate to the meeting you want to embed. Once there, click on Invite and copy the meeting link provided. Be sure to also copy the invitation details, as they'll be necessary later. Head back to your Wix dashboard and click on Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. Find the spot on your page where you'd like the Zoom meeting to appear. Click Add on the left toolbar, select Embed, and then choose Embed a Widget. A box will appear where you can paste your HTML code. Now you will craft your HTML iframe using the following format. Replace your meeting link with the URL you copied from Zoom, ensuring it's within quotation marks. Once you paste it into the box, click Apply. This method gives you control over the size and placement of the meeting window. Adjust the width and height in the code to fit your design needs. Just remember that it's crucial to maintain a balance so it integrates well within your site's layout. So there you have it, 2 methods to integrate Zoom into your Wix website. Whether you go for the app to manage meetings directly or customize the meeting appearance with HTML code, both approaches are efficient and elevate your site's functionality. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your digital presence.